Ready to see one of the coolest things you've ever seen? Check this out. What you just saw was a snap-in connector. Now most terminal blocks have either screw terminals, where you have to use a screwdriver and twist, or you have to be able to press the screwdriver in and angle it for a cage clamp to be able to release and insert the wires. But this one is a snap-in connector, and what that means is that all we have to do is just apply a little bit of force, and this works for solid or stranded wires if they're large enough. We just press in with a little bit of force until we hear a click, and this is securely fastened. You know what this is really cool for is automated assembly of panels, where either a robot or some sort of pick and place machine can grab the wires and plug them in and insert them easily without having to have a second hand for a screwdriver, which is almost always required. This is a really cool development for panel builders.